Welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday. Today, I will show you about your paddle shifters. I'm loving this weather, but the features on the inside, so why don't we hop in? You will find your paddle shifters behind the steering wheel here, and they could be utilized to either downshift or upshift, depending on your drive mode. You can put your car in a fully manual mode by pushing the gear shift to the left, and once you either upshift or downshift, it will go into manual for you. With the gear shift already pushed to the left, when you see an M in your display, you are in the fully manual mode. Here's how it works. While in your standard drive mode, if you accidentally press one of the paddle shifters, it will go back to automatic transmission. That's all I've got for you this week. Remember, if you have any further questions, reach out to the Genius team here at Hendrick BMW Charlotte. See you next time.